chances are you've had a classic martini, but if you ever pulled the perfect martini out of your freezer, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So here's all you do. To a clean bottle that has a resealable cap, or you can use a wine bottle that has a cork. Just make sure it won't leak. You're going to add 2 cups premium gin, half cup Blanco vermouth, it's a little less dry, and half cup of dry vermouth. And many people don't know this, but orange bitters. So you're going to add about a half a tablespoon. So here's the magic part. You're going to add water to the container, and what happens is this gives it the little ice crystals that when you pour it back into the glass, they're going to melt and make a beautiful cocktail. I'm going to seal this up. We're going to make sure it doesn't leak. Now we're going to pop it in the freezer. The bottle should stay in the freezer for about 6 hours, but overnight's even better. All right, let's see what we got. It's been 24 hours. It is super viscous. Now all you want to do is pour it into glasses. Oh my God, that's perfect. You're going to want to let it sit for about a minute just to de-ice, just a tad. Let a couple follow. That is the perfect martini. Oh my God, you guys, spheres of ice, everything, delish.